Currently member of Space Law Committee of International Law Association, fellow of World Academy of Art and Science, and he is a multifaceted person and has authored several books on science, technology, business, leadership, ethical issues and other literary works, poetry in Tamil and English. He has also co-authored Vision 2020 along with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Now it's our great pleasure to listen to Professor Dr. Y. Sachin sir talking on affordable access to healthcare. Sir, it's over to you.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning, sir. Dr. L.P. Singh, Professor Agarwal, the faculty, and I think the first batch is all the new batch or all first batch also is there?
Both the batches.
Okay, both the batches. All of you, dear students, and then the staff. It's a great opportunity. Bonnie has been very persistent, and I should thank her for that, because how to catch? Because when it is convenient for her, I will be somewhere else. I will be committed to something. But at the same time, some of her thing was very thoughtful. Last batch going out, they will be thinking about where to go, etc. That's not a good time. So she said, sir, this is available, the new batch will come. So it's good, because my job will not be the usual, I stop the usual talking, just come so and then over. You have to be alert. I will in between ask a question, some of it will be going to a textual answer, some of it will be, I will just say, a few things. Mainly because it has to be interactive. You are to be alert. And doesn't matter what you answer. Okay? You should be truthful to what you are at that time. Even after 10 days you may think, okay, I made a stupid answer, you can change it. Doesn't matter. You have to learn to respond. Another thing, my main purpose is, I am not going to, she gave me so much Vision 2020, space, it's no use. For you to talk and discuss about space, you sit somewhere and then you can browse. Because if I get into rocketry and first few items, afterwards you will start yawning. Then I can see it. When I see it, I want light. I want to see the face. So I know what is the response. Then you do Vision 2020 versus some time ago, book long time ago. Some of it has been overrun by time, some of it has been achieved. But this particular thing which I have taken is one of those Vision 2020 things, but relevant to your future. You should all be happy that you are in an area of subject where we see expanding opportunities for jobs, raising up, earning money, and also those who want to pursue some research, that type of thing also is available. Reason why? Very simple. The 1930, 1930, the Great Depression in US. Any of you heard about it? The Great Depression, economic depression in US. Anyone? Okay. Students, I think you forgot and you say that I was not born at all. Parents were not born, we should have worried about it. But history unfortunately repeats. We had a current economic crisis of 2008 was equivalent to that. Through early crisis, 2-3 industries, people never lose jobs. One is toy making industry, all child related and toy making, because children will continue to be born. Other one is related to food. Third one naturally happens in health. Whatever the scientists may improve, etc., those bacteria and viruses are much more clever than us. They will continue to invent as they are a part of life. The great biodiversity, they are also part of it. So you have a great opportunity. In addition, Fortunately, the founders, when we had a good discussion with your director, have thought about an area where there was a large gap. In India, our problem is we think that you are a great specialist in a field, you can manage yourself. That is why many institutions in India have collapsed. The best doctor you put, best cardiologist, we have done some 10,000 operations, 20,000 operations, you make him a director of an institution, he may or may not fit. She may not fit. Some do well, but many don't. Same thing happens in the scientific institutions. The scientific and art, this person has done so many papers. Excellent scholar. That person's person management can be terrible. He will be so recluse. But at the same time, since the person has got administrative power, order should be coming on. So India will have lost a lot of opportunities like this. Therefore, I am glad that you are the management, young. That young is important. Which means you are the broad. Life, everything is connected to something or another. You have to understand it. The best thing is what immediately the moment you go, you have to understand what a system is. You want to take tribal care, then you have to understand what a tribe means. Where do they live? What are their geography? What will be the practices? You got to do the same thing there. Chalo, set up a PLC center, the person will not stay there. So, this is an opportunity for you. Number two, the way I will demolish, at least attempt to demolish the normal bad things which comes in media or TV. How many of you read books other than your own subject? Students? Okay. What book? Just take the what book? What book you read? Yeah. Tell anyone, whoever raised the hand, one of you raised the hand. Come on, you tell me.
So books maybe show one novel or motivational books like The Secret.
Motivational.
And even I have read the Wings of Fire by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So it's a mix of books. Whichever is favorite.
Only this thing, motivational?
Novels I have said.
Novels. Okay, good. How many per month? Or how many per quarter of the year? Or in a year?
Say friends, like in this.
Average, I say. That depends on the very average answer.
So per month, 1 or 2.
Okay, fine. Doesn't matter. Good that you are reading. Now, many are not reading. Many don't read. Beyond it, the generation we are telling you is on one side a great thing of technology. Another problem is you don't read even the 144 characters allowed in the Twitter. It's bad because you are going to have a life almost close to 100 years. Thanks to the health system, from the medical, this one, that one, biomedical, transplant, so many reasons, sanitation, you are going to reach it. The time when I was born, average age for Indian male was 32. I should be here before you. My sister was 26. She's still alive. Elder sister, she's still alive, doing well. But both is not only for India. All is going on. This will go. That means when you come out of here, after a graduation, 2 years, let us say 23, 22, 23, I am taking average for you. Then afterwards, you have got a life of about close to 70 years of active work. You will not be allowed to retire. Economies cannot sustain. Can you tell me, any one of you tell me how many are the old people in India? In terms of population? Or percentage of population?
40%.
40% old people. You will all die there. You will all not be there. Percentage of the population. Or in terms of absolute number? 22%. Even Japan has just reached from 30. China has not reached it. It's a very important thing, very important health management issue. It's around 8 to 10%. person, about 100 million people, which is bigger than 60% taking as a point. It is bigger than most countries in the world. It's going to grow at the rate of 5 million every year. Some will die, some will enter. So, economies of the world cannot sustain a long-term people not doing work. Everybody will be made to do work. The pension system, your insurance systems, and everything will be there. That means you will not be allowed, at least 75 to 80, you will not be allowed to retire. So 83, now you are saying over, but there is a reality. It's going to emerge. France, they are increasing age. Lot of opposition. So now 23 to let us say 73, let me take 50 years. Incidentally, for me, after joining Physical Research Laboratory, Vikram Sarabhai, it was July 64. I joined for my entering into cosmic research. This year is the 50th year of it. I am doing the 50th year of work. So you people will be made to do more. You will be quite healthy. Within that, you will have at least 7 years. Nowadays, most places, it will become 3 to 4 years in a place. It will become, let us say, 7. 10 different types of careers will be involved. Be ready to learn. That is why what I am going to do is, whatever you are being taught to do it, that is very important. Islam and everything is important. That is for one type of testing. This is for another type of preparing yourself for life. Okay? Now I will answer somebody, can you tell what is access? How much should be access? What is access? Come on, tell me. All, everybody? Available to? Everybody. 24 by 7? 24 by 7 to everybody. You know the people of India, population? Everybody 24 by 7. What is the cost? One will say, paisa nahi hai, she is finance, so there paisa nahi hai. So you have to be realistic. See, this very nice talking, everybody should be covered. This is what you hear in the media. I want you to be different, because you are R, manager, another thing is R, your mind has to be alert. Access. So what is affordable? Free? Why no? Everybody means everybody will tell why not? Free. Why? Why no free? As a matter of philosophy? Why? It will again not become, if it is affordable and free, it will not be sustainable. First money which is given, that transaction will go over. That's chutti. It comes from taxpayers' money. Governments don't have money, even though big politicians say my program, money comes from taxpayers' money. It is that which is to be used. There is a bureaucracy, politics, everybody will take out money properly. I am not telling about the corruption part. All these things, still you are to do it. So, this one is what you must understand. Healthcare itself has got so much things. You will read somewhere the primordial healthcare. If you get into primordial healthcare, you are finished. It's something so much, so distinct, but it's important. But you will probably start off with the primary healthcare and then go towards it. Though, of course, most people love to be in the tertiary healthcare because it gives money. So I am going to address for you. So next one, let us see. Okay. Access, not 24 by 7, but not 24 by 7 for most Indians. It may be once in 15 days. So you have to think of it. These are some areas of research that people can do. I have given some affordable, not free. But again, the affordability varies. You people, what you say affordable, will not be affordable for the domestic help which comes in your place. She is much better off than many others elsewhere in India. I am going to give you a glimpse of these things. Regularity, yes, whatever you do, I am going to say only once a month. If it is regular, otherwise people will reject it. कभी कभी आता है अनाउंसमेंट कर देते हैं, आ जाते हैं, then they will lose the faith. For all, yes, that is going to be the challenge. Indians are now 125 crore. We will go 160 crore. Okay, nothing can be done. You are all young. Each of you, a couple, even if it produces one, still it will go up. And that is the way it ought to be. You can't have a country of sannyasis and sannyasis. You have to produce children also. That is a part of the evolutionary duty. You have to maintain the species. So, it is going to be there. You have to think in terms of planning for it. Okay? You people, when you are there, it will be 160. When you are around 35 or so, it would have come close to 160. Then there is a problem of the old fellows, that 100 would have probably become 150. So again, that 150 are all uniform. They are the old fellow. If every